Hi there, my name is Mana, and welcome to my page, my Weebly page. Today I'll be talking about what things I have on my Weebly page. This is my home page, and this is my biography. So a little about myself is that I'm from Kenya, lived in the States, United States for 15 years. Um, and also I came to the States when I was very young, and I'm planning on teaching English as a second language. And when I finish at CWI, hopefully I will be able to transfer to BSU and finish my bachelor there. And this here is my Word document assignment. It's the one that I did for, I think, the second module or the first module. I don't remember. But this is what I have. I don't know if I'm supposed to zoom it in or not, but let's do it anyways. This is what I have for my Word documents assignment. What is this? And if we go back to my page, when I click the Excel, it's going to be a little bit white. So, well, it's going to be white, obviously. For my Excel assignment, I chose the Excel that we did. And then let's see if I can click the PowerPoint. Yes, I did. This is my PowerPoint assignment. My PowerPoint assignment, I chose the Facebook group, like what they do and like when it was created, and I have a couple examples of like the videos of tutorial videos for the assignments as well. See if I can click. Okay, this is my what they call it web quest. I tried my best to click it and it won't let me, so I don't know what's going on. I tried to make it a URL something, I don't know. I try to make it so it's just clickable, but I will come back to that one. And let me see. For the other examples, I chose the assignment that I chose was the Facebook one. Uh, Let me go back to the UL, the web quest. So with this one, I tried, but I couldn't make a link out of it. So I'm just gonna copy it and just try to go over here and just paste. Let's see how it's gonna come. It will not come, so I have to fix that. I will try my best to fix that. Hopefully it will work for me. But yesterday it was working fine. Today's not. But I will try my best to link that one to make it a link that is gonna come out. But let me just go to the website, the actual website, and just log in. And I'll talk about what I have. Okay. Here I will go to my web quest. So I chose family for the topic. I recently just had a kid, so why not talk about family? So with this one, talked about how, oops, sorry, excuse me. The description is that it's for second graders, and it focuses on a family, tradition, cultural studies, and for students, what does family mean to them? And yeah, let's see what we have here. Go go to the introduction. So for the introduction, I have a little picture. It's just talking about the assignments. what do the students need to do. And so I said this assignment will be about students finding who they are and where they come from. What holidays do they celebrate? Why is family important to each student, and what does family mean to them? And in this art class, there will be some different activities to work with to help out what family really means to the students. Let's ask everyone that everyone in the world have a family physical have family some type of family physically or emotionally, and today we'll learn about that and learn more about each other. The students will learn about their peers, where they come from and what background, how they communicate, and what do they celebrate. The students have to draw some pictures. Process of it, not long, but just a couple, two tasks to do. Um, the first one is to explore. The students have to draw a picture like where they live. Wait, discover the different areas because each students do live in a lot of different areas, and for that, they will need some paper, markers, crayons to draw where they live and what their house look like, how like what kind of color trees or where the trees are located, those kind of stuff. And we'll also write a book about a tradition book of each family, what holidays they celebrate, and why they celebrate that holiday, what kind of things they do at that holiday, what do they eat, how do they dress, those kind of stuff. And then in the evaluation, just that will be a rubric at the bottom of it. So it'll be 100%, and I just have to use this rubric. But basically, this is what I will use to grade their assignments and how they will score. And the conclusion, it will have a couple questions at the end to answer. And then, yeah, I think that's about it. Let's see this one. And I have one. Oh, I didn't put a picture there. Yikes. So I just have the website where I got the standards from, the what they call it, the curriculum for this assignments, and I used a couple Google pictures, and I forgot to put the website in here. But that is about it. Let me go back to my Weebly page. And then, yeah. So for the Weebly page, and then I'm supposed to put the video in here. So I'll put that in here as well, the one that I'm doing right now. Hopefully, this will help you understand. But yeah, that is all I have. And again, my name is Mana. Thank you.